going to learn the process to calculate the capacity of the unit in BTUs according with the volume of the area. No? When you decide, okay, I need for this room 7,000 BTUs. Okay, 7,000 BTUs in single phase or 7,000 BTUs in double phase. Okay, in single phase, how much is the consumption in amps of the unit? Oh, 30 amps, 40 amps. Oh, wow, it's a lot. And the same unit, 7,000 BTUs in two phases, oh no, only 15 amps. Oh, wow, this is nice. I prefer that unit. Yeah, guys, this is why the municipal companies in your city, they offer, hey, my friend, replace your appliance for double phase or three phase appliance, and your bill will be reduced dramatically. And some cities in some countries, they have a credit, they have a loan to buy those new units, new air conditioning unit, new refrigerator, new dishwasher, yeah, at a great price and with loan, and you pay monthly the loan. Good, guys, it's clear? Okay, today we are going to learn the process about how to calculate, how to size an air conditioning unit. Let me check quickly some units that we are going to use in the future to size air conditioning units. We are going to copy here the units. One of the most famous is to convert the horsepower into electrical, no? 746
Yep.
watts. This is exactly the same that one kilowatt or 1,000 watts, 1,000 watts is equal to 1.0 kilowatts, is equivalent to, how much is that? 0.74 horsepower. It's exactly the same, no? You can say 1 horsepower is 746, or 1 kilowatt is equivalent to 0.74 horsepower. Okay? All right. Other important conversion is that 1 kilowatt is equivalent, 1 kilowatt is equivalent to
3,413 BTUs.
BTUs. Oh, wow. The same kilowatt is equivalent to 3413 BTUs. Oh, wow. British thermal unit. What is the meaning of British thermal unit?
The amount of energy required to raise water 1 degree.
The amount of energy required to increase the temperature of 1 pound of water 1 degree Fahrenheit. This is 1 BTU.